Welcome to our channel. Okay, we have mount our cover now. We have it all over the frame, and we already installed this plastic section over here. It just clips, then goes across the ring, the plastic ring that is right there. And one thing to notice, guys, right here, this section of the vinyl goes underneath the whole frame right here. That's what the piece goes underneath the frame. And that's gonna be our first hack ring. We're gonna hack ring this section, and then we just gonna hack ring all the perimeter, and that's gonna be the mounting for this. There you have it, guys. I just wanna put the cover in there. One thing to notice, once you load your cover and start to fold it over, you're gonna start from the top and then the bottom section, because this section right here, it has a bigger hood. So the hood over here is bigger. For that reason, we mount these sections first, the top one, and then the bottom ones. Now we're gonna open the hood for the headrest. And guys, if you don't have the practice, this is just a circle around the plastic guide for the headrest, and then you cut. And guys, we are demystifying the installation process. Is not that difficult. as you can see. Now, when it comes to the cover, you want to be sure that the pulls doesn't exceed the size of the cover. Otherwise, they're going to stick out like this one right here. Now, you're going to have three on top, hooks, and two in the center. Once you make the alignment, and you put your three little screws in the bottom, if you don't find that you can guide yourself with the ice pick, so you know where it is. And that's the installation of the cover. You have already your back plate in place, seat belt is in place, and that was it, guys. I'm gonna continue with the cushion in the next video. If you have questions, please put it in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. Okay, now you have your cover in place. You already folded over in the foam. Now we're gonna load the frame. And the only process right here is to get the channel on the metal edge all around. You gotta be sure that your cover is aligned. Then you can start to do this process. So I'm gonna start by the front. It has tension, guys, so then you have to put a little muscle to it. I don't want to block the camera, but I have no choice because it has a lot of tension in it. Now, some of these corners you have to have both together at the same time. to make the process more simple. Now we're going to the other side. Just like so. And this is our last section, is inverted. Now we just want to be sure that all the material is all the way in. If you use the hammer, do it very lightly. Otherwise, you're going to ruin the seal. Now this section goes here. And there you have it, guys. That is the cushion installation. If you have questions, please put it in the comments, like and subscribe, and I'm gonna continue in the next video. And we're gonna be doing the front section, the bucket.